YouTube channel All in 1K, and in this video we're gonna discuss about Python escape sequence. So friends, in this video we see what is escape sequence in Python. But first of all, if you not access the playlist, then go to the YouTube channel and access the playlist of Python. So Python escape characters. So here are some characters, but we see in detail. So the first escape sequence is backslash. If we want to give a backslash, then we write double backslash, then our backslash was print. Then the next our escape sequence is single quote. If we want to give a single quote, then we can write backslash and single quote for give the single quote in our program. Then our third escape sequence is double quote. If we want to give a double quote, then we can use this escape sequence slash double quote. Then our fourth escape sequence is backslash a. What is meant by backslash a? So backslash a represents bell or alarm or beep. So it sounds. That's why backslash a, alarm or beep. Then if we want to give backspace in our program, then we can use backslash b. This escape sequence give backspace. Then our next escape sequence is backslash f. So backslash f is used for form feed. Then our next escape sequence is backslash n. So backslash n is used for new line. So friends, if we want to add new line in our program, then we can give backslash n. So friends, then our next escape sequence is backslash r. Backslash r is used for carriage return. Then our next escape sequence is backslash t. So if we want to add horizontal tab, then we give backslash t. And if we want to give an vertical tab, then we can use backslash v. Friends, if we want to give an octal value, then we can use backslash triple o. If we want to give an hex value, then we can use backslash xhh. So if this video is helpful for you, then like this video, share this video with your friend and subscribe to my channel.